Hey, welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Guys, before we get started, I want to thank you guys who've been supporting the channel by leaving comments, subscribing, and hitting the like button and the share button. Those of you who if this is your first time viewing the channel, I would appreciate it if you find something in here that you like. With this video or any of my previous videos, I would appreciate you guys do the same. Hit the like button, subscribe, share, or leave a comment. Guys, the only thing that does is just help support the channel and help the channel reach a lot of more other people out there. And what I'm asking you doesn't cost anything. It's for free. So I appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you'd like to talk tools. Now, with that being said, everything all is out of the way. I want to just do a short review, more or less like an introduction review on my newest tool. This is the JBC Tools soldering station, model number CD-BE. And it's a company that was founded in 1926 in Spain, out of Spain. They're headquartered in Spain, but they have several branches all over the world. I'm not saying the complete world, but in a lot of places, Hong Kong, Mexico, United States, and several other places that I've seen, but they are a fairly large company. So I've just taken it out of the box. This was donated to me. I just taken it out of the box, and to give my unbiased review, that's what I'm going to do with it. And one thing you guys can count on, I'm going to give you the truth. If it's worthy, I'm going to give you the truth. If it's bad, good, mediocre, or whatever, I'm going to give you the truth. Okay? I believe in that. I believe in integrity, man with character, and you're going to get that out of me, honesty. So with all that is being said, guys, we're going to just go through a few of the features that this tool have, and the pros and cons. It may not be a long video, but because I'm planning on doing another video about this tool, but I want to compare it with two more other soldering stations that I do have. I have a Heiko that I want to compare it with, and I also have one that's called a Denny. It's a rework station also, and we just see the difference between the two. I mean, the three, which ones I like the best, which ones I don't like the best, and so on and so forth. Now, some of you may not, like some of you electricians, you younger guys out there, I'm asking that you hang in here, man, and just listen to the video, because if you plan on being an electrician, this is your career. Down the line, somewhere down the line, you will be soldering something. And there's nothing worse than having just a bad soldering station or inadequate tools that you can't do your job right. So the more you know about certain brands that's on the market, when this time do come in your life that you have to order a soldering station or what have you, you'll know about all these different brand names. This is my first time hearing about JBC tools. I've never heard of this company before in my life, but they've been out since 1929, and I got to tell you, this soldering station feels high quality. High quality. I know there's a lot of soldering stations on the market, but this one feels really nice. Weight-wise, it's kind of like picking up. Let me use something that you may even know about, a Fluke multimeter. It's kind of like picking up a 289 compared to one of those little cheap multimeters on the market. This is high quality, and trust me, I mean, there's a lot of things I like about it. There's some things that I don't like. I'm not gonna say don't like about it, but I can get used to it. Now, you may or may not like it, but some people like the ones you can just turn on manually and adjust the temperature and go for it. There's nothing wrong with that. This one, you could do the same thing with it, and but they have a lot of safety features on this one that you might find appealing. So let me just tell you some of the things that this have that I do like, and if I miss something, I'll be sure to catch it on the next upcoming video that I plan on doing with the comparison video involving this soldering station and the Heiko and the Denny. Okay, so this have an off and on switch in the back right here, like the off and on switch. This cord comes out, you can pull it out, put it back in. They also have a USB cable to update the firmware right here, because it does have a computer. This is a computer right here. They have the settings. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. You have the settings. Get my glasses. The settings, if you want to, like scroll down, you want to get your settings or the temperature that you want to have it on. You want to switch it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, or you want to have a preset temperature. Like the minimum temperature here in Celsius would be, I think it's 90 degrees, and it goes up to something like 450 degrees Celsius. And in Fahrenheit, it starts from 190 to 840 something. Let me see, I think it's 845 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's just say 845 degrees Fahrenheit is too much for you. You want to preset it and keep it there, so whenever you turn it on, it don't go past, let's just say 600. That may be enough for you. You can do that with this without having to adjust it all the time. You can preset it. But if you just want to preset it, you can do, every time you turn it on, you can even scroll through here and just set it how you want to. I think that's a nice feature. Also, they have a feature whereas, like it's sitting in the cradle right here, let me put a, if you have a tip in there and you sit in the cradle, it just turns, it don't turn itself, it hibernates. It lowers the temperature and it just stays there. But if you don't use it for, I think like 10 minutes, it turns itself off. That's a real nice safety feature. Very good safety, I think. And I like the fact that you can change your tips without having it to cool down, because most soldering soldering stations, you have to wait till the tip cool down before you change it. But not with this one. You don't have to touch it at all. Just put it in there, take it out. If you want to switch it, there you go. Now if I put it in now, before I put the tip in there, it was saying no tube. Now I put the tip in there just now. I'm gonna put it back in there. Now I'm gonna go to sleep. Meaning not sleep, not turn itself off. We're just going to go drop the temperature. So see how you can see it's dropping the temperature? And that's good. That's a good thing. So when you pick it back up, let me just show you, like 410, watch how quick that it jumps up to the temperature. Look at that, just that quick. That's nice. The thing about this, the thing about this handle too, it doesn't feel heavy, real overweighted or anything. It feels nice that you can, it's really manageable. I like the idea that I can hold it basically like a pencil or ink pen. That's how, it's not skinny or anything. It's not too bulky. It's just right for me. And it feels light enough where I can just, if I'm soldering, I could just do whatever I want to do with it. Also, I like the idea that it has this this little holder for the cord. That way, like on some soldering stations, you have umpteen inches of cord hanging in front of you, so you have to kind of move it out of the way so you won't, it'll be all inside of you, be all in your way while you're trying to work. I like the idea that this is up high, out of your way. You can adjust it, either more cord or put it in some, and that way it's out of your way. Just in case you were soldering right in front of here, like this, for example, well, the cord is out of your way. It's instead of you having this amount of cord right here, and you trying to solder something in front of you, you got all this cord now. I like that fact. I mean, I like that point too. And I also like the fact that in cleaning it, this kind of like a splash, like if you just cleaning it in there, you got to worry about nothing. This, I guess, like a splash-proof cover right here. And they have the Brillo in here, the little metal pad, Brillo pad in there to clean with. And let me see what else. Let me see what else I can tell you about. And you have several different kind of tips you can choose from. They also sent this brochure right here that they have all kinds of all the stuff that they sell. And guys, I'm gonna leave in the description, the information about this company just in case you want to go take a look. But I like the idea that they have all kinds of tips, y'all. I have all kinds of tips here, that you can order for this soldering station. So if you're looking for a real good soldering station, it don't have to be this one. I'm just telling you the stuff that I like about it so far. It could be another one, Heiko. It could be any one of them on the market, any one you choose. I'm just telling you about this one right now because I like this so far. What I see, this is a real nice one. But I like that. I like all those different tips that they have in there. It makes things so much easier. And if you just do SMD work, this is the perfect one for you. This is the perfect one, especially those different tips that they have, right, that I just seen in there. In fact, I'm gonna have to order me some. But anyway, if you're the pro, if you're a professional, or on your way to becoming a professional, if you stay in this business long enough, you will become a professional. I tell you that much. Even you young guys that's out there just starting out, you may be pulling wire today, you may be bending conduit today, but eventually it's going to run out. And you're going to get an advancement in your job, promotion on your job, and you may be sitting behind a desk, electronic bench, soldering, doing circuit boards, or things like that. But anyway, I just think it's a real nice tool. I'm trying to cover everything, but like I say, whatever I miss, I'll try my best to remember in the next video that's coming up. So I just want to give you guys a taste of this, of this unit. So you'll be interested when I do the other video. But I really do like it. I really do like it, and it feels it's so solid. This is metal. All of this is metal. No plastic at all. So I like this. This could be adjusted if you choose. Just loosen it up. You can adjust this either up high. This could be adjusted if you want this to go. Let's say this wind to go back some, or you want it like that, you can. You want it up like this, you can. So it seems like they really thought this thing out. I've never heard of this company before, but I'm glad that they heard of me. And I really do like this. I really do like what I see. So if some of you guys may have heard of this company before, if you did, can you leave a comment and let me know what you think about this company, about this unit? Some of you may even have this unit or may have had it before. Just leave a comment. Tell me what you think about it. And I'll be preparing a video in the near future, of the Heiko going up against this thing here. I'll do a few little samples and just to see which one I prefer. And you just tell me which one you prefer. But I'm trying to see what else there's here before I close this video out. Let me see. They say station setting, tune setting. They got counters. They got program version. They got reset settings. I guess that's the whole unit to default back to factory settings. But I just taken it out of the box, so I don't have anything set. Except I switched it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. But let me see what else. Okay, that's really about it. And 300 degrees Fahrenheit, that's where it's at right now. It's asleep. It may be, because I have it set to 300. That's the minimum. So I'm gonna set it a little bit lower. But what's so good about this one also is safety. Because if you're, let's just say you accidentally forget, like we all do sometimes, have this thing sitting down, laying around, well, it's still gonna stay on. We know that's gonna stay on. But if you put it in here and it turns itself off, sometimes we forget to turn things off, as we're only human. This turns itself off after a few minutes of non-use. Whereas I'm thinking if you use the other manual ones, they will stay on and eventually probably burn itself out. I don't know, but it's not safe. But anyway, guys, until we the other video will be coming up, and I hope that you stay tuned, and I hope that you're interested in the other video. And until next time, you guys take care, and peace out.